Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to go over some of the best-selling RAM on Amazon as of right now. We're going to go over a couple different price options and some just that are generally best-selling and the best value. So if you're in the market to upgrade your RAM or you're making a new PC build, I'm going to give you a few options here for both DDR4 and DDR5 memory. This first kit is one of the most popular. It's one I started with my first build. It's coming in at about $75 with 7,000 bought in the past month, 4.8 stars at over 16,300 ratings. So very heavily used and very highly rated for good reason. This is a DDR4 kit of 32 gigs of 3200 megahertz speed. So this is just pretty much your good standard DDR4 kit in my mind that you just can't go wrong with. You get 32 gigs at 3200 megahertz speed. So it's just kind of gonna, it's gonna basically just do the trick without breaking the bank and spending extra on RGB and stuff. Because again, this doesn't have RGB or anything like that. But you're just getting a good solid RAM kit for $75. So that's why it's so popular, and I still recommend it till this day. Now, if you really want some RGB and you're willing to spend a little bit more for it, I personally don't think it's worth it, but I do know a lot of people like the aesthetics of their build and they want certain colors, whatever they want. This is a pretty good kit here for about $100, 4.8 stars, 5400 rating, over 1,000 bought in the last month. This is again Corsair Vengeance, which I've always just had good luck with, so I stick with Corsair Vengeance a lot. There's other good brands out there, but this is 3600 megahertz, so a little bit faster speed, still a 32 gig kit, but it's gonna have that RGB, so you do get that. And I mean, it technically is a little bit faster speed as well, so it's maybe a little bit better than that last kit, plus you get RGB. So you can't really go wrong here if you're looking for RGB memory with 32 gigabytes of RAM. You're going to get very good performance out of this and probably be happy with your purchase. And now our final kit of DDR4 before we get into DDR5. This is more of your budget kit. This is if you don't really care about aesthetics pretty much at all. You're just looking for the best for your money. I think this is going to be some pretty reliable RAM for the price. You can get it with the heat spreader for $62, which I would probably just do to protect your RAM, maybe get a little bit better performance out of it. They do have some without the heat spreader, which is actually only $58.99, but for another like $3, you might as well just get this with the heat spreader, in my opinion. Well, it has 4.7 stars with over 17,000 rating, 2,000 bought in the last month. This is Crucial Pro, 32 gigs of 3200 megahertz, so it's very similar to that first one, but it's even another like $13 less. But I think it's going to perform just fine for most people. So it's very, very good value RAM here if you're in more of the budget realm of things. Moving on to DDR5 kits. This is again 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. I'm going to only recommend 32 gigs, as you can tell in this whole video, because I think you can always get down to 16 if you want, but I think 32 is a sweet spot for most people where it's not too much, but it's definitely not too little. So I think if you can, you should just get 32 gigs. So that's why they're all 32. But anyways, this is more of the minimal style if you don't want RGB and things like that. This is currently only $77, 4.8 stars at over 2,500 ratings, 2,000 bought in the last month. This is CL36, 6,000 megahertz speed. DDR5, so it's going to be a really solid kit. Again, if you're not looking for anything fancy, you just want some performance to some good solid DDR5, then you can definitely try this out and probably have some good luck with this. And they do actually have, for just about $15 more, whatever, $10, $20 more, a white kit of the exact same thing. So that could be really good if you do care about aesthetics, but you still want more of a budget thing and you don't really need RGB. You can definitely get a white version for a white build or something like that, and it would look really cool. And then to cap it off, we do have RGB DDR5 memory if you are into that. Again, 6,000 megahertz speed, 2x16 kit, so you're going to get 32 gigs. And this comes in at about $95, 4.7 stars at over 1,500 ratings, over 3,000 bought in the last month. So this is a really, really popular kit of DDR5 memory, again, by Corsair Vengeance. I think they're just pretty reputable. None of the other ones are really bad, but I just think they're just one of the best selling reputable companies out there selling memory that obviously it's one of the most popular and best selling, and for good reason. People like it, it works, but it does its job well, and people generally don't have issues. So if you're looking for RGB DDR5 memory, definitely take a look at this kit. Again, I'll link all these kits in the description below if you do want to check any of them out, whether you're looking to upgrade or add memory to your build or anything like that, or even build a new one. You can check out some of these kits, find what works for you, and that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.